Good afternoon, y'all. My name is Terrell. I am an apprentice here at George Moore Chevrolet, and today we're going to be replacing this instrument cluster in this 97 Chevy Tahoe. I recently changed this cluster because the old one had the gauges fluctuating on it, and they sent this one, but this one got the wrong mileage programmed into it for the vehicle. So we have our new replacement here with the right mileage, and we're gonna get it done. Let's see, we're gonna start off lifting that up. Voila. And we're going to, I like to remove this guy out the way. Hang it across the seat. And then we're going to give this a nice little tug. And some of these plugs can be a little brittle because of the age, so you got to be very careful when removing. Out. So we'll sit that guy right there and bring that up. And then we have our plug here for the light switch. Now, we got that out of the way. Here's our nice instrument cluster. See a beaut. Lovely. And this is where it gets its connections for all the lights. Right, it slides here. One thing I want to do is put some dielectric grease on these connections so we don't have any issues. So I'm going to grab the dielectric grease. We have our dielectric grease. Dimmer works. Everything works. That completes that instrument cluster install. My name is Terrell, and I want to thank you guys for watching the video and see you again next time.